Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link Chime to Zelle account. Step 1 is open the Chime app. First, open your Chime app and go to your account section where you will see your Chime checking account details. What you want to do is copy your Chime routing number and account number because you will need them to link with Zelle. Then head to the step 2 is open Zelle app. Next, open the Zelle app. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign up using your mobile number or email. Once you're signing in, tap on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. And step 3 is add a new bank account. In the settings menu, tap on the bank accounts here. Then, since Chime isn't one of Zelle's official partners, we will use the option to manually add a bank account. For that, we just need to head to the step 4, that is enter Chime account details. Now, tap on Don't See Your Bank and manually enter the routing number and account number you copied from Chime earlier. Once you have entered both, tap Continue. Then step 5 is verify your account. To verify your account, Zelle may send a small deposit to your Chime account. Check your Chime app after a few minutes to see if the deposit has arrived. Once you see it, go back to Zelle and enter the deposit amount for verification. That means you can be confirmed that your account is now verified after getting that deposit. Now, step 6 is linking complete. Once the deposit amount is verified, you will see a confirmation message that your Chime account is now linked to Zelle. You can now start sending and receiving money directly from your Zelle account with your Chime account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, subscribe our channel, and see you later with another informative video.